ever felt like weight management is a battle you just can't seem to win? We all know the struggle, the endless cycle of dieting, the constant battle against cravings, the desperate search for a solution that might just tip the scales in our favor. Amid this struggle, it's easy to overlook the potential allies hiding in plain sight. They're small, they're unassuming, and they pack a powerful punch when it comes to weight control. What if there was a simple, natural ingredient that could help? Enter the mighty chia seed. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they pack a powerful nutritional punch. Rich in soluble fiber, these small wonders transform into a gel when they meet water. This gel-like consistency slows down food absorption and digestion, a process that cleverly suppresses your appetite and stabilizes glucose levels. The result? A potential reduction in your calorie intake. But the benefits of chia seeds don't stop at weight management. They're also teeming with alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA for short, a type of omega-3 fatty acid known for reducing inflammation and enhancing metabolic health. So with chia seeds, you're not just managing weight, you're also boosting your overall health. So how do you add these powerful seeds to your diet? It's simple, really. You can soak chia seeds and sprinkle them onto salads, stir them into beverages, blend them into yogurt, or even mix them into soups. They're a versatile addition, ramping up the nutritional value of your meals. Pair these seeds with a balanced diet and regular exercise for a comprehensive approach to weight management. Remember though, chia seeds are not a magic bullet, nor a substitute for medical advice. They are a tool to support your overall weight management strategy. So, are you ready to give chia seeds a try? We challenge you to add this nutritional powerhouse into your daily diet and share your experiences with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy.